Now, never heard of this company. I do a lot of installs. So today we're working on a 19 EcoBoost using their downpipe kit. You can sandwich that bracket. The nuts and the washers come with the kit. This is how the front lap joint, just open it up all the way and slide it in there. It all goes right in. Of course, this car just got an MBRP catback as well, but it all hooks up to the stock location. It's fairly easy to install this. You will have to break the clip loose and let this dangle down so it'll reach. Still got to plug the upper one in, but I figured I'd get a little video here showing you guys how this stuff fits. You screw the lower bumper pads in, and the intercooler fits to that. You will have to remove the bumper brace. Now for the shutter, for the airflow shutter, just zip tie the motor to the back of the thing to keep the check engine light from coming on. The fitment's really good on this intercooler. I did have to do quite a bit of trimming on the plastics here, so keep that in mind. And it was a little tough to make the fitment go right in, but I figured I'd give you guys an idea. Now make sure you put tape and tighten this fitting in this charge pipe, guys. All the clamps are where they're easily reached. It was a little snug getting the intercooler in there, but it went in there. But this car's got an aftermarket blowout valve. And I'll let the rack down here in a second to give you guys an idea of how this goes. Sorry, I don't try to make shaky videos, but I need to get me a camera mount if I'm gonna keep doing tech videos and stuff. I'm gonna do more of them at some point. And I'm gonna do a review on this toolbox at some point too. But this car's got an oil separator and everything. Here's the upper charge pipe. Can't see very well, but you can see charge pipes all fit real well. You'll have to remove this wiring harness from the factory charge pipe. These brackets were the one little posing problem I faced, but this is how they ended up settling in there nicely, so it is what it is. I wanted them squared, but all this stuff kind of hides in there. Now, it clears real well, as you can see. But cvfabrication for all your little EcoBoost stuff, and I'm sure some of my truck guys will get into that stuff as well. But it gives you an idea. The stuff fits real well. All the stock stuff's off of it. But yeah, this is pretty nice stuff. I'm gonna try to add a link to this video. This is just for some help for everybody, because when I pulled this apart, I go, well, it looks like it, because everything said fits in a stock location. Well, it doesn't. It doesn't. It goes in front of everything else. So the race intercooler does not fit in a stock location, and you don't have to pull the radiator and everything out. You can pop the stock intercooler out of the radiator brackets without taking the radiator and everything loose. So that might help some of you guys out. If you're having trouble with that, comment on it. I'll tell you how to get it to pop out. But this is a real clean car. Got a few more things to button up, but I got to put the front end back together and get this thing fired up, and I'll try to load a sound clip for you guys. This is the catted down pipe, so I don't expect it to be too loud.